So, you guys want to do the MW3 nuke? I'm going to show you how. So you guys can feel like this.
Oh, baby! First try, I fucking told you, man! I told you!
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is do it in duos. Because the timer is half the time pretty much. In quads, it's 10 minutes. And in duos, it is 640 for each timer. You're going to want to land and get 3 of the key cards. So, or 2, I guess. You can get 2, but I think we got 3 in this run. So you can get 2, and then you want to head to Stronghold. The one's up, the first one you saw me grab, and then the second one I'm getting right now. It's on a shelf into the left. You're going to want to run to Stronghold and get those fast as you can. So then you get Lodi, you get a bunch of money, you get an advanced, and you get specialists. And those are like so useful in this. Okay, so now the next step, you see me grab the second key card. I didn't skip over it. So we're going to take this four-wheeler. It's usually there. There's always a car or something. You're going to go all the way to Stronghold. Now, in the meantime, your teammate, if you didn't get the other key card, he's going to be doing as many scavs and any contract he can do over there, really. And it's not that important in duos because you basically want to go for kills almost in duos and get it done quicker. Because the kills are going to mean more. Because the fire sale, by the time the fire sale happens, there's like no people left. You just like scrambling. You want to have it almost like the third element done. Like it's almost gonna be double the speed as quads. So right here we're doing all of it. We got everything from that room. We got our Lodi. We got an advanced. And now we're gonna finish this contract up, and then we're gonna go and pick up the new contract before it expires. So that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, so now we're going to grab the new contract. So we grab the new contract. One very important thing is do not die or go down, because I think when you go down it's 30 seconds, and when you die it's 46 seconds off the clock. So my face cam's in the way, but the timer is at 640 when it starts on duos. So my teammate did die, but the timer didn't start yet, so it didn't get affected. So now when you pick up the contract, it's basically try to kill as many people as you can, assassinate and interrogate. And usually for duos it's easier because like you're not fighting 4 guys, and if one person you could 2v1 pretty easy. The average person could 2v1, as you can see here. I'm the average person, I just 2v1. But I didn't interrogate or assassinate anyone there, but that's your main goal during this time, is to interrogate and assassinate until the fire sale. Okay, so right now first element's about to come in. We got 80k, we're looking good. I'm just trying to speed it up before the fire sale because I want to make full use of the fire sale and almost get to that last element, like I said before like at the end of the fire sale, so we have like plenty of time to do everything, which we do at the end of this run. You guys see, I'll let it play out fully after I'm done explaining everything, just so you guys get a good idea how to do it. So the first element's dropping in, and it's before the fire sale. We're on great pace to do it. So one person's going to want to carry all the elements too, because the effects, you don't want to have both people getting the effects. Just one person, the other person slays out, and just do that. Now we're just waiting pretty much to the fire sale. We're just going to chill around control and waiting on control, have like a nice space with a shop, and like you don't want to be in one of those spots where you're getting sniped from Lighthouse or like Top Priz or something. You want to get a good spot like control. I'd recommend Stronghold. There's a shop like on the one side by Factory's not bad. There's a couple of them you can go to. Okay, so now we're getting right to the fire sale, and this is where you're going to want to use all your money. Just spam plates as fast as you can. I'm not going to show it all because it takes forever, but just spam. If you're on controller, you could spam X and your spacebar and do, or if you have a scuff controller, you can do your paddle and the X button at the same time and just spam it and go really quick. You're not going to want to overspend either. You're going to have one of your friends that like is watching the timer, so you don't go below the time because it'll waste your money. Like we just see how we stopped right there. You want to stop, let the timer restart again. Again, it sucks because my face cam's in the way, but there's like a time in between where the timer doesn't start right after you gotta grab the thing, and then the timer restarts. So we're still gonna have like half the fire sale after the next element drops, and then we're gonna spam buy plates again, and I'll try to speed it up here so we can see. I'll speed it up 30 seconds. So at the end of the fire sale we got 4k left, and then we're speeding up, and we're gonna go to another shop, and basically after that you're kind of on your own. Like you just gotta kill, assassinate, interrogate, and go until the bomb's planted. I'll fast forward to then just to show you what it's like, and then after that I'll let the whole gameplay play through so you guys can have the whole experience and know exactly how to do it. Okay, so now the third part's coming in, and the bomb's about to come in, and we're on great pace right now. Like there's 11 people left, and
I got a
5
cooldown,
teams
bro.
more than us, so plenty of times. And you can see in my inventory I got lots of smokes. You don't want lots of smokes because people don't like to get nuke dropped on them, I'll tell you that for free. And now we'll fast forward until when we're going to plant the bomb.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're getting up to Priz. The bomb's coming down, and the bomb could land anywhere, really. Kind of got blessed on where we dropped, or ours got dropped, because we got like a nice little protected area, thank God. And then these guys on top of Priz were trying to troll us. I don't know why they didn't jump down. Kind of stupid. But after that, so we're planting the bomb. You put all 3 elements in, guard your teammate. I don't really have the footage of me planting the bomb because I was just not planting it, but yeah, so you just gotta guard it after this, and hopefully this video helped you guys a lot, because I struggle with the nuke a lot. The quads, we tried it in quads 7, 8 times maybe, and we failed. It was so much harder in quads. Duos is definitely the way to go. Now I'm gonna let this play out. After this, the whole video will be after like the tutorial type, so you guys can watch what we actually did without me talking over it, just the raw gameplay of everything live. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, comment what you think. This is my first video like this. I don't know if I'm going to do more. Maybe if it's good, I will. We'll see. But hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I hear him.
One shot on me, bro. 1 bullet. Stay up. 1v1v1. I just spawned back.
I know, I fucking just... I'm a fucking absolute god, man.
You want me to... What do you want me to
Just
do?
fucking,
I'm landing.
I don't know, man. Land down. I don't have any smokes or anything. I don't know where they are. He's up top. I'm gonna die.
There you go, dude.
I'm dead. You gotta look at the bomb. Did you check the bomb? Did you check the bomb? Did you check the bomb? Oh, it's just him.
One shot, Dad.
Let's go, baby! First try, I fucking told you, man! I told you!
Daddy!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, baby! What are we
I got a downplay in
seeing?
the background, dude. The nuke's going off. Oh my god, dude.
Nah, man. Actually, yeah. Man.
Oh my god, dude, this is deja vu. There was a loading at when we did it too. Oh my god, dude, get her ass. Yo, which one had the key card? Oh my god, I didn't even grab the key card. Okay, I'm coming. What's it look like over there?
Nobody's here, bro.
Like the signal intelligence, if you would have did that first, then you could have grabbed to secure the intel.
I did. I did the
Yeah, I'm throwing this
security.
in
I already did the...
I'm throwing our loadie far in the zone.
Yeah, I already did the one secure intel, or the hacking one, whatever. Go grab the other one. This is the third.
You know, the new, both the new contracts are at living quarters, so we gotta make our way there.
Yeah,
Oh,
we will.
Fuck,
Right
I
after
just missed fucking... The loadie's kinda out of the storm. I gotta pick it up anyways to get my perks, dude. In the back. One's dead. Oh, at the window.
this. Yeah, one time.
I'm
I'm coming.
chasing him. Dude, he's running. Jumping. He just got his flare off. I'm
Are we grabbing it?
You want him? Fuck it, I'm down. Yeah, it's in
I don't know
here,
where it
dude.
is.
It's gonna be hard as fuck to grab. Hold on. It's on top of there, dude. Like, what?
Coming up.
Yeah, there's boys everywhere. Just, you can't die, man. Just stay with me.
Dude, one shot.
That's insane.
Fuck.
One's outer too.
Yeah, like, oh.
Whatever. I don't even think it counted towards the timer, honestly.
No, it
Got the
didn't.
big
Probably.
bag. Don't grab that bounty. Don't grab that contract.
You're alone right now. Fuck, I don't have my loadout either.
You land on our loadout. That's what my guns are.
What do you mean? What?
Back. He's coming back.
Where our loadout was.
Whatever. You gotta kill.
I'm trying, dude. They're chasing me, dude. Dead. Like, oh my god, I'm just so much fucking better, dude.
Go. From one shot from like living quarters
yeah,
time.
yeah, they're coming. They're coming. We haven't advanced. Let's push these guys. Don't forget. Let's get these guys living quarters. He's on me. I'm smoking him. I'm pushing him. I got it. Watch around.
Why does it say we have a
Numbers
loadout up here?
Because we do. Someone
Yo,
landed
in the
there.
storm over here. Let's
No,
wait
someone
for him.
landed.
Yeah, right here. Weak.
Yeah, here. Go for it. Assassinate that guy. We gotta check behind us. Those guys. Yeah, behind us. There's the guys, the yellow guys.
I gotta look at.
On us. Down.
Oh, there's two of the same skin.
Smoking it.
Mm.
Hacking him.
He's shooting.
Did he smoke me again?
Two of them right on me right now.
One's low coming in on you.
Damn it.
On the loadie.
Oh, I unloading.
Another one on loadie. I got the right side. Push that guy. Nice. I'm smoking.
You do it. Wait, on me.
Get him. I think he left. He left the game. That's so ratty.
Tell me something soon.
Yo, we gotta get to control. Come to control.
We got 80k, bro.
I know. I'm gonna buy stuff right now so we can get the element in quicker.
We don't have a portable buy though, eh?
No, we don't need it.
We're
Tell
still
me to
getting.
stop. Tell me to stop.
Keep going. 30, 25, 20. Keep going.
Okay,
Keep going.
loot.
Good. Let's go top.
Okay, we gotta wait. No, we gotta get this element.
Who's gonna grab it?
I'll grab it.
I can grab it.
You grab it. Okay, you grab it.
Yeah, I got it. We should maybe re-up on smokes too.
Yeah, get down here. That's a good idea. Fire sale's gonna
Yeah,
start.
I'm waiting for the crate, bro.
Okay, yo, loot around here until the fire sale. We're on good pace.
Yeah.
We got 72k too.
Okay, where we're at, we're in a good spot on the map too.
I'm just gonna get roof. You keep looting. I just want to make sure that no one fucking pulls up on us unexpected. And then during the fire sales,
Already when that fire sale hits.
we both gotta go on it.
Yeah, I know. It's coming like real soon, bro. We'll go on the front one.
Keep looting.
There's no more chests here, bro.
It's okay.
Dude, I want to start buying.
No, don't. Save it. It'll be worth it. Dude, I think they're forgetting about us over here.
I think it's this circle right now.
Wait, don't wait. Chill. How many smokes you have?
2. I'm gonna grab.
Okay, come here.
Come on. 1 minute.
I'm gonna stop.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, give me your money. Give me all your money. Okay, now go on top and just watch. Actually, we gotta start moving after the storm.
It's dropping on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta stay away from me too, low key, because of that.
No, you gotta get up top after you get this part. You gotta get up top here. I'm gonna start moving this other fire sale. Grab that part as fast as you can. Is it on top? I can grab it if it's on top. Do you get it?
Got it.
Tell me when to start buying. Get on top control too.
Yeah, no. Go.
Is there people on you?
No, it's my shop.
After this, we gotta move top Riz.
Right. Just me shooting.
Yeah.
One top prison looking at me.
Okay, let's rotate cave maybe.
3 minutes. We're good on the timer. Just keep buying though.
Come on. Okay, let's go left. Move left.
Minutes,
Move
bro.
left.
We can.
There's people pushing cave. One's down.
I'm getting shot, bro. From bottom.
One's dead. I gotta push this guy. He's self.
Prison 1 shot.
This guy's self in here.
Don't worry about executing.
Come on.
Dude, we're good right here. Let's chill right here.
No, we gotta get down
I
to the
gotta
other
look at
store.
from
Get to
behind
the
now.
other store. Get to the other store that we failed at before. In front of me.
Both?
Yeah.
I can't. I'm getting up top, bro.
One's dead. I gotta push this
Behind
one
me.
guy.
He's out the stairs.
Coming.
Dead.
Nice.
Okay, it's about to drop down.
Give me your cash. Oh, no mind. What the fuck, dude?
Here.
Oh, yo, this might be the fastest fucking nuke ever, dude. I'm posting this to YouTube.
Dude, chill.
You need
chill.
to get this. I know.
I'm getting fucking.
You just stay back
You
there.
throw me. Yeah.
Make sure you keep stacking up on smokes.
I got a cooldown, bro. Tell me when it's dropping.
It's coming down right now.
Yeah. You just gotta plant this shit, eh?
Dude, give me your money. Give me your money. You gotta stay away with me because I can't see the mini map.
Yeah, you gotta tell me where it's at.
Yo. It's right in the middle. You see it?
Yeah. Can't move here.
Fuck, dude. This is gonna be so hard. Actually, there's so many people. Stay away from me. Back up. Back up. No.
Dropping right now.
It's landing on our side, dude. It's landing on our side.
Smoke on me.
Yeah.
Watch over me, bro.
I'm trying.
Arming it.
Mhm.
Smoke me.
Okay, I know. Okay, dude. This is gonna be hard, dude. There's still 8 people.
Back up.
Yo, do you have PA? No, we don't. Okay.
One's on the buy station. One's on the buy station in the storm. There's a team
okay, yo,
prison.
just
Remember
watch
that.
behind me. I'll watch mom. What side did you plant for?
Dead at the
Okay.
storehouse.
I'm smoking
Close
it.
on us, bro.
Okay, I'm just smoking so we don't die. I'm just gonna keep on periodically coming back here.
He's close.
Yeah, I hear him.
One shot on me, bro. One bullet. Stay up. 1v1v1. I just spawned back.
I know. I fucking just. I'm a fucking absolute god, man.
You want me to? What do you want me to?
Just
I'm
fucking.
landing.
I don't know, man. Land down. I don't have any smokes or anything. I don't know where they are. He's up top. I'm gonna die.
There you go, dude.
I'm dead. You gotta look at the bomb. Did you check the bomb? Oh, it's just him.
One shot, Dad.
Let's go, baby! First try, I fucking told you, man! I told you!
Daddy!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, baby! What are we
I got a downplay in the
seeing?
background, dude. The nuke's going off. Oh my god, dude.
Dude, that was insane. That was a great run, bro.